Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some fried green plantains. So we're gonna start off by peeling our plantains here. I have 2 green plantains which I've already washed. And to peel, first we're going to cut off both ends. And to peel the skin off, just use one of the grooves here as a guide. And we're gonna slice to the thickness of the skin from one end to the next. Lift at the top here. Now I'm going to cut these into 2-inch pieces, and the easiest way to do this is to first just cut the plantain in half and then cut each half into 2. So that way you're guaranteed to have more even pieces. By the way, you could also cut these lengthwise if you want, but I find that doing it this way works best for me. I have some vegetable oil here over a medium heat, and I'm going to fry up my plantains on all sides for about a total of 5 minutes. The aim here is to fry them until they're about 90% done, and then I'm going to remove them from the pan and then crush them. Now we're going to press them. If you have one of those plantain mashers, you can use it, or you can do like me and use a kitchen utensil if you don't have one of those. I'm going to be using my glass here. So you can go ahead and press it like this, or you can turn it up and press them down like this. I personally think that they are a lot prettier this way, but you can do whatever works best for you. And by the way guys, if you wanted these to be thinner, you could always cut them smaller than this. And now we're going to add them back to our oil and fry them for another 2 minutes or until they become crispy. And if you're adding salt, you sprinkle that on immediately after frying so that it soaks up the flavor while it's hot. So crispy. Hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, please help the channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Let's continue the journey to our first 1000 subs. Let's stay connected. All social media links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.